Here's a quick look at my desk before I get started this morning. If you want to see a look at my entire messy, crazy craft room, I posted that video today. It's part of Kara Brandon and Danny K. White's declutter and organization for January 2025. I will put the link down below, and it is a very real look at my craft room. But today I'm going to go ahead and make something for Junk Journal January. Hi everybody, it's Julie, and today I am going to work on day 9, hidden. Now, the 9th of January was a very, very busy day, and I was able to do some stuff in my craft room, but it was not for Junk Journal January. So I am going to show you how I'm going to make a hidden journaling card using an envelope and one of these great file cards that I got at the Family Dollar. And I'm telling you Family Dollar because it's also Dollar Tree, but they are not $1.25. So, so we're going to use the envelope, okay? And I am going to make this hidden. And so I want to pull up the flap. I'm using a flap that has the triangle for the flap, okay? I love to use envelopes in my journals. It's one of my favorite things to work with. I'm going to go ahead and come down and let's see. Let's cut it at 1/2 inch, okay? Basically, I'm going to come down. I'm going to cut this at 1/2 inch, okay? And so now I've got this piece and I've got this piece, okay? And this is going to be able to be probably like a pocket in my journal. Oh, I hope I have a page that's big enough. Now that I think about it, I might have to, well, it can go sideways. That's it. Yep, I think it's gonna have to go in here sideways, and that's okay. Sometimes you should think ahead. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on this page. Okay, so this is under the tip end that I did with the coffee dyed embossed. This actually was onion skin embossed paper. Okay, this journal is for me. Hoping that we get to go to Paris this year, and so I am going to have it be for me. You can use any type of card. You can use a scrap of paper for this. I'm going to go ahead and I am using this file card because I wanted to do something different. And you guys know that I like to use these file cards. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and glue these down. Maybe. There we go. There we got some glue. So please continue to pray for Los Angeles. Holy mackerel, last night we're getting alerts. We're not even close to those fires, but it's kind of scary when the alerts go off because you got to check them because they could be for your area. And hopefully they get that figured out. Hopefully it's not just some thing trying to get us to where we don't even pay attention, which would be really, really bad. So, as I explained in Friday's video, my husband's brother lost his home, and his other brother, we still don't know. You guys, they're not letting him up there, but it looks like his business made it. It was an antique store in Altadena. So, okay. So, that is going to be able to go in there. Okay. Now, I think what I should have done to make it more hidden is the white piece that we hid under. I should bring that over the top. Okay. Because then that's what you're going to see outside of the envelope. Okay? It doesn't matter, but for those that it might matter, I'm gonna redo this. I didn't actually make one of these. I did try it. I tried it, but I didn't you know, go through the gluing part and stuff. Okay, so there is going to be my goodie. Okay, so that is going to be able to go in there like that. And then I'm going to want some way for this to go down. So when you open this, you're going to go, oh, I can put something in there. Okay, I can still put something in there, but this can come out. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're going to do a little bit of decorating. And I'm just going to grab this washi. Has a variety of colors. I don't know where this particular one came from. So yeah, so as I explained in the beginning of this video, but if you're here at the premiere, you might not know, I had another video go up earlier today, and it is a video of my craft room, okay, as it is today. And you guys, it is a mess, okay? It is a mess. And it is a mess. So, yeah. So this is going to be able to go in like that. And remember, the hidden journaling cards was an idea that Kara Brandon brought to our community. I don't know where she found out about it or if she made it up. But it has been such a wonderful way to do things. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, I'm looking through my goodies over here. This is one of the things I did yesterday. I did go ahead and I cleared up. Okay, so if I put this in, so I'm going to want to be able to put this in and out of something. So I'm going to go ahead and put glue on here and here. So yeah, so today was my turn for the declutter and organization videos that are coming from Kara Brandon and Dana K. White each day during the month of January. And I had an organization idea, but I was going to have to clean the area to be able to even show it. And I was like, you know what? Now it's time to come clean and show show the mess that I really have. So these are still staying right up here. I did, at the end of the video, you see, I did come back in and I did the 1 hour better. It was more like a half an hour. I had a half an hour before Tom was going to be home, and I started cleaning my desk. And the really cool thing was, when I was done, I didn't have a big, huge mess because I used Dana's technique. I'm going to probably need to use the other one because I like my collages touching, okay? And so, and if you're collaging and you're like, and they just don't seem to be, your collages don't seem to work, try making sure that all of your pieces are touching another piece. Okay, so just that right there. So those two are touching. The other thing that you can do, because sometimes it's your collage has gotten overwhelmed and your eyes don't know where to look. Now this one has some black in it, but if you are doing a collage and you don't have any black in it, that is one of the things that you can do to help. I'm looking at needles, moon, pray. I'm going to put that in there. Okay, so adding something black can help tell your eyes to show them where to focus, where to catch a breath. Okay, so I'm going to add, this is a Dear Julie Julie. This is actually from Friday's freebie. So if you didn't see that video, yeah, Friday was a live video, and this was the freebie for Friday. Okay, so this came from an antique music paper, like you're going to use to play the piano. And I used the music and made a pocket and a tag, and you got that. And that is available in my Patreon in the free section. Okay, so I'm going to take my ticket. I'm going to put it where it goes. I'm going to take it there right now. There's my washi tape. I'm going to take it there right now. And you know what? I've got this. This is from wrapping paper from another project. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use that in here also. Okay. So it's wrapping paper, a ticket, some joint tape, and you can see the link is down below to where you can find the joint tape. It's Lowe's, and my favorite product from 2023. That's when I discovered it. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and put this in my book, and we decided we were going to put it under the tip-in as a pocket. Okay. I love pockets, and I cannot lie. So I will usually put a pocket anywhere I can put a pocket. Now, sometimes I put less in when during a Dear Julie Julie challenge, when you have to fill all the pockets. I don't know why she does that, but no, just kidding. Okay, so yeah, so on my we do a challenge each month on the Dear Julie Julie channel. Okay, so I'm going to be able to pull this out. I can write on both sides of this. I can put it back, and it just looks like an envelope, right? Okay. Could add a trim or something across here, but I think that is a great thing for hidden. And then we can just put that in the pocket. And what if we put this one in this pocket? Okay. Just put that behind it. And we have hidden. Okay, and next I'm going to show you how I did depth. Okay, so watch for that. That'll be a little video that'll come up for tomorrow. It'll be a real short video. Find something to celebrate every day. Please continue to pray for the people of Los Angeles, for all that have lost their homes, for all that are coming to Los Angeles to help in the firefight and the cleanup and taking care of the people that have lost everything. You guys, so many of them had just minutes to grab and go. Tom's brother, and they left with just what they were wearing. They're going to be fine. But again, as in the video yesterday, I'm asking for prayers for Eric because he does have, he's suffering from memory loss, and change is hard for him. And everything familiar was taken away in that fire. Thank you all so much for being here. Have an amazing day. I will have a video that will play for tomorrow, but we'll be back here with a live or premiere on Monday. And don't forget, if you are an October VIP, the VIP party will be Wednesday at 1 o'clock, and it's going to be Zoom. Oh, so much fun. Okay, we'll see you there. Find some. Oh, have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.